So from this paragraph, why did she say this line? Who told her about the stars? And who was the person who loved the little girl the most? So these are the important question which can be answered from this stanza. She struck another match on the wall. Once more there was a light. In the glow stood her old grandmother. So when she light another match, there, what did she saw? She saw her old grandmother, and so bright, shining, looking so gentle, kind, and loving. And how her grandmother was looking? She was looking bright, shining, gentle, kind, and loving. Granny, cried the little girl, oh, take me with you. I know you will disappear when the match is burnt out. You will vanish like a warm star, lovely roast goose, and the glorious Christmas tree. What did she say to her grandmother? She said that she requested her to take her with her because if there will be no match, she will also vanish like a warm stove, goose, and a Christmas tree. Then she quickly struck all the rest of the matches she had in the pocket, for she did so want to keep her grandmother with her. When she had other matches in her pocket, she burnt all the matches because she did not want to lose the vision of her grandmother. The matches flared up with such a blaze that it was brighter than broad daylight, and her grandmother had never seemed so beautiful, so stately before. And in the light of all the matches, her grandmother was looking so beautiful, and that light looked like as if there was a day. She took the little girl in her arm and flew with her high up, so high towards glory and joy. Now they knew neither cold or hunger nor fear, for they both were with God. So here, when she lighted one match, her grandmother looked bright, shining, gentle, kind, and loving. But when she lighted all the matches, her grandmother looked so beautiful or stately never before. So her grandmother took her in her arms, went high up in the sky, and now the girl was not feeling cold and hungry because they both were with the God. But in the cold dawn, in the corner formed by the two houses, sat the little girl with rosy cheeks and smiling lips, dead. In the morning, everybody saw that in the corner of two houses there was one little girl whose cheeks were very rosy and was smiling but was dead, frozen to death on the last evening of the old year. She was freezed to death in the last evening of the year. The dawn of the new year rose on the huddled figure of the girl. Dead figure, everybody saw the dead body. For everybody else there, the new year came up with the dead body of the girl. She was still holding the matches, and half a packet had been burned. There were matches in her hand, and half the packet was burned. She was evidently trying to warm herself. People said, but no one knew what beautiful vision she had seen, and what a blaze of glory she had entered with her dear old grandmother into a heavenly joy, gladness of new year. Everybody was saying that she was trying to warm her with the heat of the match light, but nobody thought that she had witnessed the beautiful visions when she lighted the matches, and in those visions, in that light, she had gone to the God with her grandmother, and now she was no hungry and no feel of cold. So here is the end of the short story. Now come to the title, The Little Match Girl. The title is suitable as the whole story moves around the girl. So as I have told you, the important things in this short story: first, setting, how was the night, how was the evening. Another, second, the girl, her appearance, about her slippers, how did she lost them, why did the boy take that slipper, what was she doing outside, how was she looking, and about her hair, where did she sit, why didn't she go back to her house, behavior of her father, condition of her house. Then one by one, what did she see when she strike first match, then second match. This whole paragraph you need to learn word to word. Then third match, then about the comparison of Christmas tree, then what happened to the candles, now someone is dying. Why did she say this? Who was the person who loved her the most? Whenever a star falls, soul goes up to God. Who told about these about her? Who told her about this line? Then, when she struck fourth match, what did she see? How did her grandmother was looking? Why did she match all the rest of the matches? In how those blaze of the matches looked like, how her grandmother looked like, and then how the new year started for the people. What did they saw in the corner, and what did they say, and how did the girl enter into the heaven? About her visions, the most important thing about her visions, what did she see? First vision, second, third, and fourth. One by one, word to word, you need to learn. So it is the end of the story. If there is any doubt, you can note on it, and we will discuss it afterwards. Thank you.